a method to refresh your PC without using the reset this PC option. This can be really handy if you want to keep your files and settings intact while giving your system a fresh start. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to back up any important files or documents you have on your PC. This ensures that you won't lose anything during the refresh process. First, go to the Start menu, right click on it and open Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Update and Security. Then select Recovery. If you can't find it, you can simply search in the Settings. After you've clicked on Recovery, scroll down and under the Advanced Startup section, click on Restart Now. This will restart your PC into the advanced startup settings. After restarting, choose Troubleshoot from the menu. Next, click on Advanced Options. Now select Startup Repair. This will help fix problems that might be preventing Windows from restarting correctly. Now follow the on-screen instructions to restart your PC. The process will reinstall Windows and keep your personal files and settings intact. It's a great way to resolve performance issue without losing your data. Once the process is complete, your PC will restart and you'll be able to log in with your existing account. Double check that your files and applications are still there and working correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully refreshed your PC without using the Reset This PC option. This method can be really useful if you're experiencing slowdowns or other issues with your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.